Pero naman kayo, walang kwenta.
Anong walang kwenta? Nag-aaral na mag-ulit na kami kasi tapos walang kwenta.
Ay, huwag ka sa...
Please settle down. Today, I will be announcing your scores from the recent exam. I am pleased to say that all of you did well, and I appreciate all your efforts. However, I would like to mention a student that performed and scored perfect on the exam. Give it up to Miss Aubrey. Congratulations, Miss Aubrey.
Congrats, Angie. Bilis mo naman yung exam.
Kaya nga, di ba?
Perfect score.
Oo. Mag-celebrate kaya tayo. What if? Kasi ikaw, birthday mo ngayon, tapos perfect mo ngayon.
Sorry guys, I really need to go home. Next time na lang bawi ako sa'yo, I promise.
Pang ilang next time mo na yan?
Sige na nga. Basta after uwi na tayo ha.
Order for Adri, order for Adri.
Sorry,
No worries. Nakala ko din sa akin. Natura kasi order mo. Good day po, ma'am. What are your names?
Adri.
Looks like destiny brought you together, ah. We have the same names. So, kinikilig ko tuloy ako.
No, it's okay, Adri.
Total, hindi na parang order ko.
Sure ka?
Sige ka, sige ka.
Ano yun? Ikaw ha? Wala yun. Nagkaparehas lang kami ng order. Ay! Sorry. Akala ko sa akin
Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start, I would like to introduce a new student who will join us for the rest of the semester. Please come in. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Velasquez. I'm 18 years old from Legazpi City. Sabi nila, matatalino lang daw nakakapasa dito. Nagtataka ako kung ba't ako nakapasok. Huwag kayong mag-alala on the fun run or long run. Pwede nyo ako ma-approach and nice meeting you all. Thank you.
Please have a seat. Now, let's move on to the main focus of today's class. Your last requirement for my subject. You will be making a documentary that requires you to pair up, delve into each other's lives, and explore not just for who your partner is, but to reflect for who you are. So these are the pairs. First is Josh and Kay Pierce. Next, Anne and Benedict. Ashley and Denise. Faye and Jay. Jane and John. Randall and Joyce. Justin and Nea. And lastly, Adri and Adrian. Your task is to spend time with your partner. Get to know them and document their journey of self-discovery as well as your own. This isn't just about filming. It's about understanding each other. Thus, you'll be going on dating.
Uy, small world. Tayo na naman magkasama. Destiny.
This is a project, not fate. Huwag kang assume.
Okay partner, nakita ko kabalog kita sa campaign eh. Gusto mo?
You don't have time for snacks. Anyways, kumuha na ako ng schedule for it.
Schedule agad. Hindi pwedeng relax lang. Chill-chill.
This is a serious project.
Okay, chill.
Relax ka lang. Ikaw na bahala sa schedule. Sige na. Ako na bahala sa creativity.
Okay na ba?
Go.
Okay, start. My name is Adri.
My name is Ian. We're doing a project.
Understanding the self. Pati name ng project, hindi mo alam.
Kalimutan lang eh. Understanding ourselves.
Sige, make up for it. Para alam din nila. Explain mo nga.
So basically, it's about figuring out who we really are or getting to know ourselves better.
Yeah, it's like peeling back layers of who we really are. Parang sibuyas. The more you peel, the more you uncover something different. Diba? Kilala mo ba sarili mo? Akin na.
Oo. Kaya merong quote na everyday we learn new things, di ba? Kahapon, ayaw ko sa olives, pero ngayon, di ba, gustong gusto ko na. Ikaw, anong ayaw mo? Nung bata ka, malalabas ka ba?
Oo. Naalala ko sama ko yung mga kalaro ko sa labas ng bahay. Umipitas kami ng mga bulaklak na gaya ng ito. Ikaw ba?
Wala, computer lang, tulog, kain, ganun. Parang cycle lang talaga.
So, rich kid ka.
Hindi. Hindi, malabong beach niya.
Mukha ka rich.
Hindi, layo.
Sabi mo kanina, nalikuan mo yung olive. Ano pa?
Wala, kaya naman kain. Sa bahay. Alam mo, being weird is just another way of saying that I'm fun.
Fun? More like magulo?
Aminin, minsan masaya maging weird.
Minsan lang? Bakit sa'yo parati?
At least napapatawa kita, di ba? Sabi nga nila, laughter adds gears to your life. So, aminin mo, happy feel mo ako, ano?
Feeling mo naman?
Oo nga. Parang may ibang siyang lumalabas sa'yo eh. Yung ngiti mo, yung mata mo.
Talaga? Oo.
Here's your order, ma'am, sir.
It's naman, bibigay niya. Thank you po.
Enjoy your day.
Tikman mo.
Parang ano lang eh. Parang lemon chuchuness.
Pangit ng lasa.
Huwag na. Ito na lang para sa akin. Okay na.
Pangit ka. Jane.
Present po.
Yanena Ashley.
Present.
Abilita Jasmine.
Present.
Araw Ann Megan.
Present.
Velasquez Adrian. Velasquez Adrian. Is he not here? Okay. Azanias Faye Ellen. Vilhera Francesca.
May kwenta yan? Ano ka ba?
Lintik na gastos yan! Puro na lang gastos! Saan ka kukuha ng mga pambayad dyan, ha?
Anong gusto mong gawin ko? Ginawa ko na ang lahat!
Anong ginawa mo ng lahat? Hindi naman pwede lagi na lang ganito. Lagi ka na lang palusot. Isipin mo naman si Audrey. Isipin mo yung pag-aaral niya.
Yan! Diyan ka kasi magaling magsalita! Wala ka naman din ginagawa para matulungan tayo!
Tama na! Hindi niyo ba napapansin? Lagi na lang kayong ganyan! Bigat-bigat na!
Audrey!
Hello, who's this? Okay, teka lang.
Bakit? Basta na lang.
I almost forgot about this. After 5 years?
I never understood why things happened the way they did. But I do get it now. You helped me see parts of myself I never knew existed. You made me realize that I can be more than just the person I thought I was. More than what I was afraid of becoming. I've grown so much because of you. Because of the things that you taught me. Even without saying them out loud. You made me braver, stronger, and more open to the world. You were the beginning I never knew I needed.
Okay na ba?
Okay, go.
Okay, start. My name is Adri.
And my name is Ian. We're doing a project. Ano ulit yun?
Understanding the cells. Sa tingin ng project, di mo alam.
Kalimutan lang. Okay, understanding the self.
Sige nga, make up for it. Para alam din nila. Explain mo nga.
So basically, it's about figuring out who we really are or getting to know ourselves better. Ikaw? Kailan ba sarili mo?
Ikaw, sila lang ba sarili mo?
Oh, I'd like to think so. But I feel like there's always something new to discover.
Yeah, it's like peeling back layers of who we really are. Parang ano, sibuyas. The more layers you peel, the more you uncover something different. Diba?
Then I'm gonna whisper just how beautiful you are. Together, 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 together,
Smile, anak.
잠시 어디론 갔던 나야만 한데도 괜찮아 우린 언제든 그대로일 테니까
Hindi, okay lang yan.
기다릴
Mas pangit lang sa nito. Ito.
말았던 고백 뻔하지만 이젠 하고 싶어 오랫동안 나
You're late.
Anong late? I arrived on time kaya. Do I look good?
Oo.
Kumakanta ka ba?
Wala.
Ayan, pumipili na siya ng price.
1177.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why
Please like a goodbye, ha?
coming to me and say
Last day of food. Our last day.
never wanna lose me. 'Cause I'll be missing you. 뒤돌아봐도 결국 또 너야 난 그래서 네가 좋아. Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far.
Ganito kayo tayo lagi.
Ganda.
Yung
Coming to
masaya lang.
me and say
Bakit? Ayaw mo?
Hindi ko naman sinabi yun. Hindi, akin na nga yun.
'Cause I'll be missing you. 뒤돌아봐도
Iyan,
또 너야 난
in our,
그래서 네가 좋아.
at dito sa documentary na to, before tayo mag-film, there's a question that asks, what happens when two completely different people meet? And what's impossible?
Just for
Since it's about us,
I got what it thinks. Gotta tell you all my love.
Simula.
Promise I'll never
Ikaw,
leave you.
parang nag-challenge ka lang, di ba? Ako pala, voice ano ba? Two completely different people. We share some common equalities, some common qualities. We have differences din, gano'n. Yung differences natin, makes us unique. Kumari ako, gusto ko na, ikaw gusto ko. Wala. Yun yung nakakapag-connect sa atin. We learn new things. Parang gano'n. Ikaw, Adri.
when I was planning this documentary or vlog, I thought that when two completely different people meet, at first you wouldn't think much will change. But I was wrong. There's a change. start to realize how certain things feel different. Like you suddenly more open, more willing to try things you thought you wouldn't have before. And what changes? It's not just the way you see the world, but the way you see yourself. And maybe the way you feel about certain things that never seemed important before. So in the end, sometimes it's the people who are the most different from us teach us the most about who we really are, how we understand ourselves.
Oh, galing.
I'm Adri.
I'm Ian. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Ayun.
What are your names po?
Adri.